Hey, my purple posse. Chilling in the bed. Feels good to be out of the cold. We drove in nothing but snow, little blizzards, coming straight at the truck. Everybody's cold. It's exhausting. And we're gonna pass out. Yes, we're in another room. Here's another one. Tank Tank, what's going on, buddy? He's hiding because he thinks he's getting a bath. You hear him? Bath? Uh-huh. We found the tissue holder, Jason. However, there are no tissues in it. Well, it's not broken. Let's take a hot bath time. These are the beautiful pictures above the beds. It's gorgeous. I love this one. Well, we're gonna get some sleep. I mean, there's so much snow going on that they closed portions of I-80 East, and they kept trying to divert us into Denver, and we keep fighting it. So we may have found a better route. At 27 was one that would take us around, but we'd still go back out on I-80. So I just don't feel like going down lower. So I'll keep you posted. Right now we're just beat. Don't forget to play. See you.